Assalamu alaikum. The all encompassing peace that comes from relying entirely on God is beautifully illustrated in the following Japanese story. A samurai and the love of his life had just gotten married and were traveling by boat to their honeymoon when a huge storm hit. The samurai's wife began to tremble with fear. There was no shore in sight, and their boat looked like it would capsize at any moment. When she ran to find her husband, she found him peacefully looking out at the sea, as if the sun was out and the waves were calm. She ran up to him and yelled, "How can you be so calm when we are about to die? Do you not value your life?" When the samurai heard her say this, he pulled out his sword and put it to his wife's neck. His wife started laughing. He said, "Why are you laughing? Are you not afraid?" She said, "Because I know you love me and would never hurt me." The samurai smiled and said, "Well, I too am in the hands of the one who loves me, so how can I be afraid?" When we realize that Allah loves us beyond what can be fathomed and that He always knows what is best for us, our fear of the unknown transforms into the faith. After all, as the Quran says, to Him belong the keys of the heavens and the earth.